Welcome everybody. Today we've got the Roton from Masters of the Universe. It was a bad guy vehicle. Supposedly, razor sharp blades on the edge. It's obviously they're child friendly. One drive wheel in the bottom that all the rest got sort of bumps to just hold it flat. And it basically, as you go along, it would spin and do all the damage. Of course, a couple of cannons on the top, and no dashboard or anything. But all the stickers on this one appear to be pretty good shape, actually. That one's a little wonky, but that one's missing. Forgot all that, but I just figured that whoever designed this must have hated parents, because they could have done that without the click. It would have been very easy to not make that click, but it does work backwards and forwards. They all spin. I played with this one a bit. I don't remember a whole lot about it. There's absolutely nothing on the inside other than a place for them to sit. I've already taken all my guys downstairs. I would show you one sitting in it. But they sit way back here, and there was no way they were touching any of this stuff up here. Movable cannons. Got our thing around the edge. I don't know, a saw blade. No real, little accents, but I wouldn't call them decorations. They're sort of, I think they just did it to break up the monotony of the solid red. There's our better view of all the stickers. Sort of a reptilian paint job on it. And of course, got the big blood red eyes coming at you. If you're, I look at these. My brother must have put these stickers on for me, because even though they're not super straight, they're a whole lot straighter than I could have done. And he was always really good at doing that. He's one of those meticulous people. Got all the details. Yeah, but anyway, there's Roton, and in a bittersweet note, this is the last of my Masters of the Universe vehicles. I've got a few pieces of the Wind Raider and the Talon Fighter downstairs, but the actual vehicles themselves are long since gone. And I've only got 5 more figures left to go, so the next Masters of the Universe week will be the final week. I might do just a wrap up, and I've still got Grayskull downstairs, but it's not even complete enough to even think about showing off at this point. I'll have to do some restoration on it before I go into any details on it. But like I say, got one more week of Masters of the Universe coming up, but for right now, that's in the future. I still got plenty of GoBots and G.I. Joes and Transformers to go with all that stuff. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.